Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of background information that is going to be helpful for you as we begin Unit 2, the Maya, the Aztec, and the Inca civilizations. So when we think about history, historians actually use labels to divide history into general time periods so that it's easier to study and easier to talk about. And although sometimes it's difficult to identify the specific end date of ancient times and the beginning date of modern times, ancient times generally refers to the events that occurred a very long time ago, while modern times generally refers to the events that are occurring more recently and that are occurring now. BCE and CE are labels that are applied to these years. BCE actually stands for before the Common Era, and this refers to the years that happened a very long time ago, while CE stands for the Common Era, and this refers to the more recent years, which again also includes this year. The Common Era begins with the year 1 CE, and years prior to that are actually referred to as BCE. Years in the Common Era are counted in the normal way with 1, 2, 3, and they count forward, but the years that are labeled BCE actually count backwards. So they start at 0 and they count backwards. 1, 2, 3, and they count backwards in that way. So because of that backwards counting, something that actually happened in the year 1000 BCE happened long before something that happened in the year 500 BCE. So as we continue with this unit and we look at various timelines, keep that in mind, that the BCE years count backwards and the CE years are counting forward. BCE are things that happened in ancient times, a long time ago, and CE time is talking about the modern time and things that are happening more recently. Now, if you take a look at this timeline, you can see that there is a kind of a split, and the split happens here at after the ancient times at 0. And you can also see that it counts back 1,000 years, 2,000 years, 3,000 years. And all of these years here you can see are labeled as BCE. Whereas on the right-hand side, we count forward 1,000, 2,000, and all of these are part of the modern times, also known as the CE years. I hope this was helpful for you as we get started with this unit about the Maya, the Inca, and the Aztec civilization.